Guys, it's Liv. So today I have a salad. I put some turkey, like sliced turkey in there, some avocado and cheese, and of course I put ranch on it. So let's get started. And I might put some sunflower kernels in there. There's one. I feel like I'm losing my voice. Put some ranch on it. Let's see. Best way to make a salad unhealthy is putting a whole bunch of ranch on it. Sunflower kernels add a little bit of more flavor too. Sometimes I'll mix the ranch with this dressing, with the French dressing. It's actually a really good mix, but I'm kind of feeling the ranch right now. The ranch by itself, so. We made banana bread yesterday, and I wanted to film it, but forgot. So, I think we still have some. So maybe I'll show you. We put chocolate chips and peanut butter chips in it. It's really good. And to get a drink. Guys, it's only Tuesday. feel like this weekend went by too fast. Should I get a napkin? But yeah, I want to do like videos like what I normally would eat, like, because I don't want to do all fast food. So that's what I'm going to try to do. Maybe once or twice a week, do like a when I'm eating at home type of video. But I am still going to include the like fast food, but I don't want that to be my whole channel. I'm gonna go get the banana bread. You guys, look at this banana bread. Chocolate chips and banana chip. I mean, banana. Peanut butter. Look at it. I will. You guys see the banana? Why do I keep saying banana? The peanut butter. Little chips in it. So good. We like just made this Sunday. And there's only like one piece left. But yeah, comment below if you guys want me to do a video like how to make it. It's pretty easy. You get cake mix, and depending on how like much banana, if you really like banana, you put 3 in there, or 2 or 3 bananas, depending on what you like. Two eggs, and then I think you bake at 375 and maybe 15 minutes, depending on how your oven is. But yeah, if you guys want that recipe, leave a comment down below. Maybe I'll film it one day. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Like I said, just leave a comment down below what other videos you would like to see, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.